A milestone day for the markets with the Nifty scaling record high levels. In fact, we crossed the 19,000 mark in today's session, as well as the Sensex crossed the 64,000 level. Overall, this has been the second consecutive session of gains. Now, what is to be seen from here on is how sustainable on closing basis do we manage to surpass the 19,000 mark from here on. A 500 points gain coming in on the Sensex. And if you see in terms of sectors, majority of them advanced in trade, but the highlight was the pharma as well as the metal pack. In fact, interesting news coming in terms of the metal sector as well. Reliance Industries also led the gains in today's session, and it was Bank Nifty which though underperformed the benchmark indices but ended in the positive. The mid-cap index saw gains of around 0.7%, whereas the small-cap index absolutely ended flat. So the momentum that we were seeing in terms of the broader markets has now been cooling off, and the action is coming back to the large-cap space. Overall, HDFC Life and Kotak Mahindra are few of the counters which dragged the markets as well. In terms of top gainers, you had Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, JSW Steel, Bajaj Auto, as well as the Sun Pharma. Whereas on the losing end, you had names like a Tech Mahindra, M&M, Apollo Hospital, as well as a Hero Moto. If you look at the newsmakers, HDFC Life saw a block deal, and it was a 7.77% equity exchange dance. BEML was in action today on the back of an order win. You have Adani group of companies which were up in a trade because of GQG, as well as IHC and other investors who've bought nearly $1 billion. Titagar Wagons was up in trade on the back of an order win, as well as a TC NS Clothing jumped on the back of the CCI approval on the acquisition by Aditya Birla. So a lot of newsmakers in trade today, but a key milestone that we crossed in today's session, specifically on Nifty 50 at 19,000 levels.